We started off as scrap merchants, basically. We bought and sold telephone systems, and we broke the equipment up into its constituent parts, and then we supplied components to big telephone system users. So, you know, hospitals, councils, big companies like Barclays Bank and Royal insurance companies, all people who needed lots of telephones in their offices, efficiency but low cost, and we were refurbishing equipment and supplying it to them. That's how we started as a company.
This led on to people like Siemens approaching us, asking us if we would sell new equipment for them and new systems, because they recognised we had access to a market that they didn't necessarily have good relationships with. So our business has developed along the relationships of what customers' needs are, and we've kept on with that ethos through the business.
We became very specialist in terms of knowing the PBX market, because some of the things we had to do, because we were looking after used equipment, we had to know it better often than the people who were relying on the manufacturers. So we built up a very high level of skills in terms of software and engineering and system design and build, and just driving efficiencies for our customers, making sure their costs were as low as possible, but that they were using the best possible solution for them rather than the best possible solution that they would have been sold maybe by somebody else.
Because technology is advancing so quickly, we constantly need to be upskilling and inventing ourselves again and again. But we have some significant wins under our belt already for full-blown unified comms. We have some very, very powerful arguments to talk. So when we go to a customer, we can point to a reference site and say, we have done this. Do we know it all? No. But we engage with the right people, and the partnership and alliances that we have are very strong. We're very well thought of in the market. So when we approach a product specialist and say, can you help? Invariably the answer is yes. And quite often those other companies have not got access to our client base. So we facilitate that, we keep customer retention, but it means we can move forward into the new technologies as they develop.